Good morning, everyone. In this session, we will see about creation of workforce structures, like locations, jobs, and then departments in this video. Okay. We'll also use HDL, how to load locations, how to load jobs and departments in this video. Okay. Thank you.
Workforce structures are very simple. They are very simple. What are the workforce structures we are having? We are having 5 workforce structures. One is location, department, job, grade, and position. Gautami, can you tell me what are the workforce structures we are having in Oracle HCM Cloud?
We have locations, departments, jobs, grades, and positions.
Very good. So, have you completed locations in the last class? How to create locations?
Yes, sir.
I'll repeat it one more time. These workforce structures are very simple. We can complete all workforce structures in one class. Go to manage locations, click on create. Use the name of the location. You could remember that the star mark is mandatory. Okay, you have to give all these fields. Status is active. Zip code 94061. Redwood City, California. Zip code is 94061. State is California. City is Redwood. San Mateo. These are all extra fields. You don't have to worry. These are all extra fields. You will see when we came to descriptive flex fields and extensible flex fields. These extensible flex fields, we will see when we are in that particular topic. The extra, what is the extra information? What is legislative information? All these things you will see in extensible flex fields. Okay, sir. These are the mandatory values you are given. Click on review. Click on submit. We are able to create the location, right?
Yes, sir.
We are able to create the location. We have already seen how to create locations using HDL also. We already seen how to create locations using HDL.
Yes.
Okay. Now I don't want to go into the topic. First I'll open the page and I'll go to next workforce structure. We have seen how to create these many locations in just a fraction of second. Now we will see whether this location is there or not. Why it is not there?
Monday because it's sir, that is user for HDL dot user. Admin is there.
No Lakshman. Why it is not there? Gautam?
We have created for other implementation program.
No. There will be only one implementation, one enterprise. Okay, there will be multiple implementation, but at the end of the day, only one enterprise will be loaded into the system. Manikanta, why the Broomfield is not there?
So because of not loaded enterprise.
Manikanta, can you try why it was not there?
Maybe it's different environment.
Correct. Different environment. So on Saturday, we have used for different client. We have reviewed. Environment means what? Client. For different client, we have loaded. This is different client. On Saturday, what is the environment we have used? On Saturday, what is the environment we have used? It's a application it creates role is there. What is the client URL?
SAS F4
No, go to me. What?
ET80.
Very good. What is the client?
ET80.
ET80. We have done that loading. This is Nokia pod and Kotak Mahindra both are same.
Not sir.
No, sir. Different.
Same thing here. On Saturday we did it on ET80. Now we are doing on different environment. That is the reason we are not seeing. Always remember that one. Okay. Now we will load one more time.
Sir, can I merge these HDL locations into this pod?
Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. Now, because we have done it in another environment or for another client, I want to load the same thing here also. Sir, yesterday I have created one notepad. Sir. Can I share the sheet to you, sir? I tried to load, but error has occurred. Yeah, 1 second. So, to location.dat file. I want to do the same thing here also. Go to my client groups, data exchange, import and load data. So once the file is ready, now last Saturday, it took almost 1.5 hours to prepare the file, to do all the stuff. Okay, you have done all these things in a test environment. Now you are doing in a UAT environment. Okay, you are doing in UAT environment. Now how much time it will take? Because all the data is ready. If the data is ready, how much time it will take?
Less time.
Hardly 2 minutes. The last time we have done on each UAT environment. Now we are doing the dev environment. Okay. If the data is ready, hardly how much time it will take? Less than 5 minutes. It's done. Here, have you done any changes according to environment in the DAT file?
And no, sir, just we have loaded.
No. So DAT file will not change depend upon the environment. You don't have to change any kind of any changes in the DAT file related to environment. Only we have to load the data. That's it.
Yes, sir. Environment doesn't matter, I think.
Yeah, environment doesn't matter. Only you have to create the data ready. Okay.
Input status.
Yes, very good. So you have to learn by mistakes, right? You have to learn by mistakes. So what is error it is throwing? The source system is source
Value is unknown.
unknown. What is meant by source system owner? What is meant by source system owner?
Data group.
What is the source system owner we have created while loading that one?
Sir, Oracle location is
Oracle EBS. Good. Very good, Lakshmi. So what is the source system owner we have created? Oracle EBS. That Oracle EBS, it is not there here. Okay? That Oracle EBS is not there here. That is the reason it is throwing. There should be link while loading the data. There should be link. It is always good if you get errors because we can learn more. If you're not getting errors means you are unable to learn more. What is the error it will throw? The source system owner is unknown. Save and publish. Now what I have to do? Source system owner. Manage common
Lookups.
HRC underscore source system owner. HRC underscore source system owner. Okay, here Oracle is there. All these things are there. But what is our source system owner lookup code?
ORC.
What is our source system owner code?
Oracle EBS.
Very good. So this is on. So we have to give this code in the application. We have to define this code. Display sequence is 1, 1, 1, 51, 12, 31, 4, 7, 1, 2. Okay. You can give any name. Oracle EBS source data or data source. Oracle EBS data source. Now click on save. Click on save and close. So we have created Oracle EBS, right? So there is a connection, right? For our data into the system, there is a connection you have created, right? It is called as source system owner. Connection from our data to the system is called as source system owner. If you don't have a connection, it will not allow you to load the data. You don't create the connection with manage common lookups, it will not allow you to load the data. Okay. You remember this is a connection point. From here, system will allow you to load the data. Save and close. Now click on done. Go to my client groups, data exchange, import and load data. And I want to delete because I'm loading the same zip file, right? Because it's already failed, I don't want to do again. So I want to delete that one. Click on delete. Click on submit. Now you have deleted the data set. You have deleted the data set. What you have loaded. Now what I have to do again? Lakshman, what I have to do again?
We have to import the
Very good. We have to import the file again. Location. There is no change in the data file. The problem is happened in the system. We are not created the source system owner lookup code. Now we have created and we are loading it again. When you get errors, then only you will learn. Okay. Wherever it is, when you are getting errors, you have to solve that one. And by solving, you will understand, okay, this is the real-time error. And we need to remember while loading that one, always there should be for system owner, lookup code should be there in the system. Otherwise, it will not allow you to load the data. Now, for the first step, syntax got correct. And it is allowed to load in the stage tables. Import is done. So total, how many objects we are loading? Total? 7 objects we are doing. 7 objects means 7 locations. So putting under apply, here we can see total 7. Load is also completed. If we are here, we are seeing load is 100%, but here the symbol has not changed. But here we can say load is also successful. Okay. Now we click on refresh. It will change the symbol. Now both are done. It is symbolic representation. Okay, success. And if we go to here, total objects. What is the business object we are loaded?
Location.
Location. If you click on here, you can see all the
Location.
location detail. This is the source system owner. This is the user key. Okay, Irwin common, present and common. This is the user key. Okay. You can go individually also. You want to go individual, just click on here, object details. Okay, now I have loaded 7 locations at a time. With the help of HDL, we have created 7 locations. Manually, just how many locations we have created today?
1.
What is the location name?
Tata.
Tata, Redwood City. Redwood. Tata, Redwood City. This is the location we have seen. RWC. Okay. For one location, it took us for around 5 minutes. To create one location took around 5 minutes. Now, how much time it took us to load all these things? Less than 5 minutes, sir. Less than 5 minutes. I'm able to create 7 locations in less than 5 minutes. Which one is better?
HDL loading, sir.
Which is better? But you need to understand the subject. HDL is initially it is looking like a complex, but after that it is very easy. See how many locations you are creating in very short time, right? Oracle Park, where I do City, California. Everything is near Pleasanton. And Airbnb. Okay. Now today we will see other workflow structures. What are the other workflow structures we are having after location?
Depart.
Click on create new department. Okay, to create a department, what is the other field we required? Location and address, right? That is the reason always location should be created first, and then we have to come to department. I'll go with the Tata only because if I say Oracle, people are getting confused with Oracle technology and Oracle company. So I want to differentiate. That's why for a trading purpose, we will go with Tata. Whereas for data migration, I'll go with Oracle. Okay. Therefore, it will be a little bit confusing. Better to go with as a Oracle company. You remember Oracle company is a client for Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So don't get confused. Reporting name. And we want to assign any manager for the department. What is the start time? On end time. Standard working hours. Frequency. Okay, you have to give all these. It's not mandatory. It's up to you. You need to either enter both standard annual working duration and annual working duration unit, or leave both the fields blank. I have entered this one. I have not entered this one. That is the reason it is throwing error. So annual working duration units. Either you can keep it as months, you give it as 12, or you can keep it as weeks and give it as total number of 52. So easy is better months, right? Click on next. Here is the final page. Here we are giving the name of the department, whether it is active or inactive, location, and address. Okay, after that we have given reporting name, workday information. Workday information also. We have given. Workday information for each department might be different. Some departments work more, some departments will work less within the legal entity. It's totally agreeable. Now click on submit. Click on yes. Click on OK. So what is the department name we have created?
Oracle company.
Company, it's our department. Is it created?
Yes, sir.
Here, these are the details. If you want to edit also, you can edit. Everything will be maintained in the history. So when we have created this department, correct. Click on that. So before creating department, what is the prerequisite? We should create location. We should create location. Otherwise, in which location this department works, nobody knows. Even though it's not a mandatory field, but it is better to have
Location.
It is better to have location. Okay. Before creating department, you should create the location for the department. Or you should create all the locations and you can select whichever locations you want. Here we have not created location manually, right? Pleasant, and how we have created location? This one?
We have loaded HDL, we have loaded the locations data.
Correct. So this is the department. Okay. Now click on done. Okay. Now what we will do? We will create job. We can customize our action reason also. In future class, we will see what is the actions and how to customize action reasons. So every time the default effective start date is what? 1/1/1951. Okay. Automatically system is taking 1/1/1951. If you want to change, you can change. Otherwise, just leave it as it is. Okay. So what is the name of the job we are creating?
Oracle software engineer.
Oracle software engineer. What is the code? Okay. So job is full-time or part-time, regular or temporary, and what is the job family, the job function, level, management, all these are optional fields. For now, just leave as it is. You don't have to worry. All these fields are extensively flex fields. We will see when it is comes. Today we have created Tata extra job information for other class. This is extensible flex field. Today we have created that one. Okay, for another plus. If you click on plus symbol, you can select country. You can select type. This is extra information where we can create with the help of extensible flexibles. For now, it's not your scope as of now. So once we came to that level, we will discuss. So we have created job. So we'll remove this one because we don't want to create unnecessary cups. So we have given the basic details. So all these things we need to fill, but as of now, we are at very basic level. We are not filling any values. Evaluation system. By default, Oracle will give a system. If you want to give the values, just give this one. Otherwise, if you want to create a custom, you can create the custom. Profiles. The profiles will come from talent management. For now, that is also, it's not your scope. Once talent management is completed, and we will see how to create a profile and how to add existing profiles and all. So just now we are creating a plain job. So we are creating and we have given the basic values. So what are the basic values while creating the job? Start date, job search, what is the name of the job, whether it's full-time, part-time, or regular or temporary. Okay. We need to create the job family also, but I have not created the job family because I don't want to make you confused. Job family, it is a little bit complicated. You need to understand because the workforce structures are basically location, department, job, and grade and positions. Once you are comfortable with these workforce structures, it is better to go for next level. Okay. Now click on submit. Click on submit button. What is the code? We are able to create the job, right? No. Now I want to load the jobs with the help of HDL. What is the source system owner here? The same because 0 here. So I want to remove this one and I want to give as Oracle EBS QA. EBS. Okay. And here also I'm giving source system ID. Source system ID I'm giving it as you can give anything. So when in next source system owner and source system ID, these values should become unique. Okay, so remember that one. On job code.
Troubleshooting.
Okay. How many jobs you have created here?
Total.
So total 10 jobs we have created. Okay, total 10 jobs we have created. You have created a zip file. Okay.
Sir, in that file, you have not changed the 005 you have given, 006 you have to give.
Oh, very good. Very good. Okay, correct. So from here, I have not changed the source system again. Again, it will throw the error.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Gautam. You saved the time. So always you should make sure that source system ID is unique. The source system ID should be unique. Okay. So just we have created one job. It took almost for us 5 minutes. Now I am loading 10 jobs. 10 jobs each job will take minimum 5 minutes, means 10 minutes it should take. But with the help of HDL, the first validation completed. Total all 9 objects were loaded. Total 9 objects were loaded. We are in the system. Import success is waiting for load into the production tables. Load is also success. Loaded all nine objects into the system, into the production tables. Okay. So we are able to load the 9 jobs into the system with the help of HDL. So we have created HDL job. We have created one job. It took 5 minutes, but 9 jobs, it took only 1 or 2 minutes, right? 2 minutes. Here you have to go again.
Set appointment. Global search.
So what are the jobs we have loaded? Open that one. So what are the jobs we have loaded? Or the one is
Right, just there.
Executive.
so we are able to see here, right?
Yes, sir.
So all the information is ready. Only thing is just you have to add any extra information you want. You can go and update and edit.
Edit.
The basic skeleton is there. Everything is there. Only you have to add extra information. Oracle Vice President, Oracle Executive Director, Oracle Director, or Oracle Senior Director, or Oracle Senior Engineer,
Software engineer.
Oracle Manager,
Project leader.
Oracle Senior Manager, Oracle Project Leader. Every just in a fraction of minute,
2 minutes.
2 minutes, we are able to load 9. So why it is showing 9? We are, as initially we told 10, right? But here there is a comment section. If you give comment in the beginning, it will take that one as a comment section. Okay. We give the comment in the beginning means that line will be taken as a comment. You can give anything you can give just here. That line will not be loaded. Comment section is just for our understanding sake. Okay. So okay guys, today we have seen what are the things we have seen today?
We have seen locations, department, and jobs.
Job. Apart from that, what we have seen?
How to load HCM.
So we have done if any error comes because our source system owner, how to sort out that error also we have seen, right?
Yes, sir.
How to load the jobs and locations with the help of HDL also we have done.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time and have a great day.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. In this session, we will see about creation of workforce structures, like locations, jobs, and then departments in this video. Okay. We'll also use HPL, how to load locations, how to load jobs and departments in this video. Okay. Thank you.